Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're looking at the all-new 2018 Chevy Silverado, and this is the 1500. And this particular truck has the 5.3 liter V8, and then it also has the Redline package, but we'll get right into it. Here is that 5.3 liter V8 that is routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission for 2018. It has 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. This engine is rated for 17 combined, 15 in the city, and then 20 on the highway, which is actually pretty good fuel economy numbers for a big V8 in a truck. And then we can kind of finish things up front with the front end that has this nice like blacked out Chevy look with the blacked out front grille and everything. The LED lights up front and everything, and the red tow hooks. Like I said, it's got that Redline package that gives it all these nice little red accents that just look absolutely amazing. Coming around back, just like every other Chevy, we're going to see that step to get into the bed, the receiver hitch as well. You got these nice little taillights back here, parking sensors, and then that nice little rear view camera. And then if we open up the bed, just like every other Chevy, it lowers down very slowly. And then that nice spray-in bed liner with a little sliding window on the back. Back we got this little exhaust pipe, so just lock the truck, hold the remote start button, and it'll start right up for you. And it's kind of got like a nice little low gargle to it and all that. I'd like to quickly just mention these nice gloss black wheels that the truck comes with those little red accents on it that I think is a really nice touch. Coming into the back of the truck, we're going to see it's got nice leather padding on the armrests and everything. It's got the rubber floor mats. It's got this nice leather with the white contrast stitching in it. And then these seats pull up for extra storage underneath for whatever you need to put under there, and it's got plenty of leg room and space back here for storage and all that. You know, coming up front, it doesn't have keyless entry or anything like that, but we can open it right up to see all of the regular window controls, mirror controls, and all that. The Bose sound system with the seat controls right here, and it's got these nice little side steps on the side that make it easier to get in and out of the truck. But we can step right up and get into the truck, and we can see all of our shifters for the 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive, our lights, the trailer brake controls and all that, cruise control, heated steering wheel, the forward collision warning, all the controls for the center screen, which we'll see in just a minute, voice commands, phone command, all that. But to start up the truck, all you gotta do is put the key in, turn it, and it'll start right up. And then if we look here, we have the speedometer over there, the tachometer right there with all the other gauges such as the fuel gauge and all that. And then you can kind of scroll through this center screen. You can do the radio, you can do information on it. I mean, this gives you literally every bit of information that you could ever want on the vehicle, which is really nice. We can come over to here, see it's got the heated and air conditioned seats, and they let you do the heat just on the back of the seat if you want. Dual zone climate controls, you got all the analog climate controls here. You got the controls for the pedals, stability control, cab lights, parking sensors, the lane departure assist, and then the hill descent control, since this does have the Z71 package. And then you're going to get all your analog radio controls, and then this big touchscreen with all of the stuff you could ever need in navigation, all that, super easy to use. Tons of console space here with a gigantic glove box. More of that nice contrast stitching. 2 glove boxes here as well, and then you get like a little sunglass holder up here and all that. But overall, it's really nice interior and everything. And if we just pop it into reverse, you can see that it's going to have a backup camera with those nice trajectory lines to show you exactly where you're going. Okay, so let's start off here in the all-new 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. And first off, I'll say this is a heck of a lot smoother ride quality-wise as compared to the 2 heavy duties that I recently did videos on. But overall, again, like, you know, first impression on the interior and everything, it's all really nice materials and everything. Everything feels really nice to touch. It feels really durable. There's a ton of space in it, which is really nice because, you know, usually you're gonna get a truck because of all the space and use that you're going to get out of it and everything. V8 is actually very quiet, which again, I really like. It goes with that whole kind of luxury feel that I kind of like sometimes with a truck, because you don't necessarily get a truck because you want some really loud car. Usually you get like a sports car, something like that. Obviously some people like to soup up their trucks and everything, but I definitely like it when a truck's quieter and rides smoother and everything, and all that. You would get this half-ton for is obviously, if you don't have to tow a lot of weight or anything like that you'd need a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton, then this would be the truck to go for to save you quite a bit of money over those two other trucks. But then also this would be the truck to go for because it rides a lot smoother. It's more similar to a car, if that makes sense at all. Even though it is a truck, it's it's gonna have that smoother ride quality. It's gonna be a lot easier to maneuver in traffic and everything, and so it's gonna be a lot easier to drive overall. And so if you don't need the higher towing capacity, don't need the higher payload, this would definitely be the one to go. If you just need a truck for the bed and then you're towing lighter things, you're not towing 15,000-20,000 pounds, you know what I mean? Just driving this truck regularly, it actually has a good amount of torque and everything, so it's easy for this truck to get up and move and everything, and it's super easy to drive and all that, and that's something I really like. And like I said, the engine's not intrusive into the cabin at all, and so it's just this nice kind of quiet. You do hear the engine, but it's really quiet and everything, and so it's definitely really nice and relaxing and all that. Being it onto the interstate here, we're going to do a bit of an acceleration and everything, just to see how much power this truck has and everything. And obviously a lot of people will use these on highway use and everything, but if we get an acceleration here, it's got plenty of power and everything. It's definitely not the most powerful V8 or anything like that. You actually can get a more powerful V8. They had the 6-liter before. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe they have a 6.2-liter that you can get in the half tons now. I don't think they're using the 6-liter anymore, but like I said, just correct me if I'm wrong. But either one of those engines would have more power than this, and so this is kind of like the lower down V8 that gets better fuel economy if you don't need to tow as much as that bigger engine does. But I mean, it's got plenty of power. I mean, I had no trouble getting up to highway speeds and everything like that. So for day-to-day use, I mean, it's more than enough. What I'm going to say overall impression-wise is this truck is actually, like I said, it's really nicely built. It's got a ton of features and everything with, the navigation and the braking assist and all that and everything. It's got a ton of features. It's got a ton of safety features and all that, which is really nice. Truck's really smooth, really comfortable to drive and everything. And so it would definitely be a truck that's really good for daily use. Just day-to-day driving because of how smooth it drives, because of how maneuverable it is. And so it's definitely that truck that's a lot better for daily use and a lot easier for daily use. And that better fuel economy is also going to save you quite a bit of money if as opposed to going to the bigger truck if you don't need to have all the towing and payload capacity that those larger trucks have. And there we have it, everyone, the all-new 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Comment down below what you thought, and I will see all of you in that next video.